Thank you for buying this 4x6 sign holder from Fixturedisplays. The part number for this item is 22205. The overall dimensions is 6.2 by 3.1 by 9.9 inches. These are the detailed dimensions, and these are the parts. To put this together take about a couple minutes. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. So we have all the parts laid out. We're going to pick them up and start to assemble. First thing we want to do is to connect the two frames, left and right, with the rods and the screws and washers. So you want to use two washers so that they don't retract. I invite you to browse Fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. You can locate this product by searching the part number on our search bar on Fixturedisplays.com. That is search 22205. In addition to this model, there are many other sign holder options to choose from. There is one for your particular application. And the closure, once you have your graphic in there, is magnetic. Then we have the ice hook, and then just hang it on top the hook. This is a great way to make a changeable sign to advertise your special, your drinks, your happy hours, etc. If you have a design that you like to make, we'd love the opportunity to manufacture for you. I hope you enjoyed this product and this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.